Yeah, I got too much wind. Best when it's calmer. Too much wind.
By far, I don't know how you can find it, but you obviously know what you're doing.
Sorta.
Go sing.
See, you got wind downwind. See how it goes fast down?
I flew one right away. It's down. Well, my brother did. So windy up high, and he just kept on going higher. He couldn't even get it down.
Yeah, it's too windy. I get a little nervous when I get wind.
Yeah, you gotta take a break after that one.
Otherwise, this is a beautiful plane. Great little flyer. I normally fly with my buddy up in New York. Yeah, we fly all sorts of planes. I know where that's at.
This one's a nice light one. You can come here and do it. Get the gas one. You get in trouble like that.
That was my father for gas. They didn't have battery then. Look, a little flight.
Get it up that way a little bit further.
No, I like to keep it around me.
You don't want to move no further.
Not right now. No. I'm not going for a swim if I have an issue.
Sure you will. Sure you will.
I've been to swimming. I swam. Normally I have rescue boats and stuff to go out and get things.
There's a boat right there, but go down, you go. Oh, that's nice.
That's
That's good.
landing flaps, huh? That's not exactly what I wanted, but
It'll work. It will work.
that's not the landing I wanted.
Take off flaps.
Woo! The wind just picked up.
Flaps up.
Woo! Oh. Oh well, not the best of landings, but you know what, guys? That water rudder, I'll tell you. I'm all the way over. Jesus. I did not like feel that wind. Boy, that wind. Ooh, that wind's just picking up. All right, guys. You know what? We just took off the Twin Otter. A little windy. A couple of bangs there on the landing, but hey, a landing is a landing, isn't it, guys? All right. Well, I just want to let you see it. You know, it's a beautiful little plane, but not the best. A little too windy out here today. But I just really wanted to get it on the water again. All right.